everyone. So today I want to talk about the future of technology and a transformative shift in how we develop software, and that's through the power of GenAI. So imagine a world where coding tasks that used to take hours can now be done in half the time. So it sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. So studies include one from McKinsey have shown that developers can develop their coding speed by leveraging generative AI tools. So this isn't just a minor improvement, it's a game changer for business productivity. So but what about the complex tasks that require deep thought and creativity? So however, where the narrative gets interesting. So while generative AI significantly boosts more straightforward coding tasks, it still needs to replace our developers in handling the most complex challenges. So this means that rather than replacing human talent, AI enhances it, making our team more efficient and allowing them to focus on what truly matters. So but before deeper diving into generative AI, it's essential to recognize it as one piece of giant puzzle. So enhancing developer productivity isn't just about a new tool, it's about adopting framework and practices that increase the quality and efficiency of our overall work. So from DevOps metric to collaboration platforms like GitHub, we are already on the path to better understanding and improving our workflows. So GenAI is set to accelerate this even further. So now let's discuss how GenAI fits into the developer's toolkit. So from automating the mundane like typing standard functions to suggesting code improvement, generative AI can make every facet of development quicker, cleaner, and more intuitive. So imagine writing codes with the help of tools that can suggest entire function or enable you to control your dev environment using just your voice. So but its benefits don't stop here. GenAI can guide new developers, offering real-time suggestions and explanations that fast-track their learning. So it can detect redundancies in our code, suggest better algorithms, and even help maintaining the quality of our documentation without us having to pour hours into it. So simply put, it's making the hard stuff more accessible and tedious stuff faster. So of course, the backbone of this is the AI training on the vast amount of code, which enables it to understand and generate programming language. So yet, it's crucial to remember that generative AI complements rather than replacing the human element in software development. It's the basically tool that enhances our capability, allowing us to focus more on creative platform development and innovation. So in conclusion, generative AI isn't just revolutionizing how we code, it's redefining our entire approach to software development. So by merging the strength of GenAI with human creativity and expertise, we are not just streamlining processes, we are setting the stage for new innovations in software development. So the future is here, and with generative AI, we are only just scratching the surface of its potential. Thank you very much.